Summer Jam tickets coming out soon, yo. We need to hop on and we need to get there.
Dude, I don't have like much money to spend this year, and I'm not gonna buy tickets that I can only like hear tiny bit of the concert before we see them. I'm not gonna do it.
There's something we can do. We can figure out a way to get close seats for cheap. We can stay here, you know that.
Like what? What?
There's gotta be something.
Hey, y'all remember the inverse square law from class, right?
Yeah.
You remember it?
Yeah, bro. I
Hey,
think.
pull up on your notes. It describes that basically every time you double your distance, you lose 6 decibels.
True. Yeah, let me pull it up. Hold on.
Hold on real quick.
It says right here, intensity can be measured like 1 over the distance squared. So it's inversely proportional. What's it here? Inverse square law will obey the inverse square law if there are no reflections or no reverberation. The intensity drop off is very rapid. Every time that you move double the distance away, you would drop 6 decibels, and every time you were 10 times further away, you would drop 20 decibels in hearing. So if we could like play a tone through a speaker, and then
Get a tape measure.
and measure how loud it is to see how far away we need from the concert. You said, what was it, like 110 decibels at 1 meter away from the speakers?
Usually 110.
There you go. There's a solution right there.
So we just go outside where there's no reverberations, and we'll test our distances.
And then we can calculate it from there and figure out what kind of seats we need to get.
So the inverse square law says that every time we double our distance, the intensity of the sound is 6 decibels less. In other words, distance and sound are inversely proportional. As the distance increases, the intensity decreases. So I'll start by playing a tone out of the speaker to measure the decibel level at 1 meter. It's reading 85. Next, I'll go to 2 meters. And it should be right. So 79 dB. That's right. Now to 400. It should be 74? 73.
What is it now?
Oh, yeah. So that proves the inverse square law. We want to hear the concert at about 80 decibels. So, according to the inverse square law, every time we double our distance, we lose 6 decibels. So, we want to figure out how far we need to be back to hear the concert the way we want. So, to hear the concert at 80 decibels, you need to be at least 32 meters away.
32 meters away, so we need to be 32 meters at least then.
Yeah.
To be gone.
32 meters.
Very important since we're in recording arts. So especially while setting up recording sessions, we need to be able to record with a small signal to noise ratio, and we need to be able to place the mics as close as possible to the instruments without clipping.
Oh yeah, and also it applies really well to setting up live shows too.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.